Are you ready? Last time you challenged mommy and sister and you said we were a piece of cake. So today you said you want to challenge Daddy.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes!
So what we have on the table today, boys and girls, is the legendary, amazing Grave Digger Monster Truck. And he is going to be going against this phenomenal looking police monster truck.
Yes!
Josh, so this challenge is going to be you against Daddy. And the battle will be, the winner of the battle will be 3 out of 5. The one who wins 3 out of 5 games. Are you ready?
Yes!
Joshy, we will let you, because you are the younger man, we will let you choose which monster truck you would like to control today.
I want to do the police one.
Why, Joshy? Why did you choose the police monster truck?
Because I like polices. And it's black and red.
Oh yeah, your 2 favorite color, right, bud? Awesome. So Daddy, you get to have the legendary Grave Digger. Joshy, Mommy asked you a question. What's your strategy to beat Daddy?
My strategy is to go all the way over there and then go this way and fall.
You're gonna make him try to fall on his own. Okay, Daddy. Don't try to listen to his strategy.
I bet.
Are you ready?
Yes! But I better think he probably heard.
All right, ready? Boys, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we actually have a battle here. Well, that was a draw for sure. You both fell off, though I do have to say, Josh did push Daddy off the table there pretty good. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, you guys ready for the next round?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go! Winner! Joshy, are you ready?
Yes!
Daddy, Joshy said that you're getting too easy to beat, so he actually moved. So he's at a different angle and to make it harder for him. So you 2 boys ready to battle?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's give this another try. Ready, boys?
Yes!
3, 2, 1. Daddy, don't go first. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, 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 look at this battle. Oh, Grave Digger. Oh. Yes, he finally beat my boy. Oh.
I know his strategy now.
You do, huh?
I'm going.
You're going to try to get him back? You're going to come up with
secret.
What secret? Okay, deal. All right, Mr. Grave Digger, your first win of the night. Okay, the Grave Digger felt a little better with his first win there. He survived. Now, we got to go again. Are you 2 boys ready?
Yes, I'm getting revenge.
You are. All right. Oh, you guys did not wait for my count. Go back. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, 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 this is one tough battle here. Oh,
This is gonna take forever.
this is a tough battle here.
Yes. No.
Joshy, Daddy's getting serious. He's lost so many times. He took off his coat and he's ready to battle you. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we got some action this time. So I am ready to announce the winner. We had the champion who won 3 first in this big monster truck battle. And the champion was the police monster truck. Which means Joshy, you beat Daddy. I totally thought he would totally beat you, but yes, you are a better remote controller of the monster truck. Next time, maybe Mommy will challenge you again. I've been practicing in secret, you know.
I don't think so.
All right, say bye to the boys and girls. We're going to play a little bit more.
Thank you